Coldplay's Viva La Vida is often perceived as a grand and uplifting anthem, with this vibrant orchestral arrangement and the title meaning Live the Life. However, beneath the song triumphant sound lies a deep exploration of uncertainty about identity, power, morality, and meaning. The song tells the story of a fallen ruler who reflects on his past glory and present downfall, revealing the fragility of certainty and control in human life. At the beginning of the song, the narrator recalls a time when he used to rule the world, commanding seas and nation with absolute authority. Yet now, he sleeps alone and sweeps the street he once owned. This shift from dominance to insignificance symbolizes the collapse of uncertainty. The narrator's former sense of control has vanished, leaving him in a state of existential doubt. He no longer knows who he is without power, and he begins to question whether his past achievements ever held true meaning. As the song progresses, the lyrics reveal the narrator's moral uncertainty. He acknowledges that revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, suggesting guilt and confusion about his past actions. Once confident in his righteousness, he now wonders whether he was a just ruler or a tyrant. His admissions that he was just a puppet on a lonely string reflects a painful awareness that his authority may have been hollow. This moral ambiguity mirrors the uncertainty many people face when re-examining their choices and values. Another layer of uncertainty appears in the narrator's struggle to understand time and causality. He confesses, for some reason I can explain, once you done, there was never an honest word. This line exposes his inability to make sense of what led to his downfall. The repetition of I can't explain embodies a loss of clarity and reason, showing that even with hindsight, the narrator cannot find answer. His reflection become a metaphor for the human experience of trying to understand, change, and lose in a world that really provides clear explanation. The song also captures emotional uncertainty through its contrasting tone. The melody is bright, triumphant, and almost celebratory, while the lyrics are filled with regret and longing. The narrator seems torn between mourning his past and finding liberation in his downfall. He does not know whether to feel grief, nostalgia, or relief, which perfectly encapsulate the emotional confusion that uncertainty brings. On a universal level, Viva La Vida speaks to the broader human condition. It mirrors the experience of losing stability, whether through the end of relationship, the loss of a job, or shift in belief, in being forced to question one's purpose. The song's Fallen King becomes a symbol of anyone who has faced sudden change and found themselves unsure of who they are without the things that once defined them. This is what makes the song so relatable and timeless. It captures the uncomfortable truth that certainty is temporary, and meaning often emerges only through doubt. Ultimately, Coldplay's Viva La Vida connects deeply to the depth of uncertainty because it portrays the journey from power to powerlessness. From confidence to questioning, the song's majestic sound contrasts with its introspective lyrics, reminding listeners that appearance of strength often conceal inner confusion. By ending without resolution, the song leaves both the narrator and the audience suspended in reflection. This unresolved ending reinforces its central message, that uncertainty is not just a passing feeling, but an inevitable and defining part of the human experience.